We'll guide you through how to make photo cinematic Pixlr. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create cinematic-looking photos quickly without using complex software. In your desktop menu, type Chrome in the search field. Click to open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝘀𝗀.com. Press enter. Wait for the website to load. Click Pixlr click Open Image and import your photo from your device. Then wait until it fully loads on the workspace before continuing. Go to the Layers panel and duplicate the layer so you have a backup, then make sure you are working on the top layer for all edits. Next, go to Adjustment and choose Brightness and Contrast. Lower the brightness slightly to reduce harsh light, and increase the contrast to make details stand out more clearly. After that, go to Adjustment again and choose Hue and Saturation. Then lower the saturation a bit to create a more balanced and cinematic tone. Continue by going to Adjustment and choosing Color Balance. Add a blue or teal tone to the shadows to cool down darker areas. And add an orange or warm tone to the highlights to create contrast between light and dark. Then go to Filter and choose Vignette, and darken the edges slightly to draw attention toward the center of the image. Next, go to Filter, select Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Then apply a very small blur to soften the overall image just a little. Add a new layer, fill it completely with black, and lower its opacity to around 10 to 20%. Use the eraser tool to erase the center area of this black layer so the middle becomes clear, which creates a natural focus effect on your subject. Adjust the overall opacity if needed to refine the effect, then check the final look carefully. Once everything looks good, save or export your edited image. Take a moment to review each adjustment you applied and ensure that the tones, colors, and focus feel consistent across the entire image without any harsh transitions or unnatural areas. Make small corrections rather than large changes, and keep comparing before and after to maintain balance and achieve a clean final result for best overall visual quality.